adjournment, do I understand you correctly that excluding I'm now speaking with regards to the living room lounge area, excluding the study room light that was on, were there any other lights on in the bottom part of the house?
Not that I noticed.
And whilst we're at that subject, on the top floor, except for the boys' room light that's on, do you remember any other lights being on?
No. I said no.
Had there been any of the intruders or attackers still in the house at that time on the ground floor? Would you have been able to see them, given the amount of light available?
I think so, yes. There was enough light for me to not struggle to find my way around.
All in all, in summary, Mr. Van der Gaal, what made you think that there were more than the one person that you observed in the boys' room in the house during this incident?
Only the voices, it's the only...
Just look at
Sorry. The voices that I heard after the attacker fled the room.
that is the voices that you referred to yesterday as the harsh voices, which you presume it's Afrikaans, but you couldn't discern what language they were speaking.
Yeah, I couldn't make out the words, but there were two different tones. So couldn't make out the words, but there were two different tones following each other. So that's why I assume that it's one person saying something and then a response.
Couldn't that mean the same and muttering to himself?
I suppose it could have been if he was talking in two different voices, I guess.
After the incident, Mr. Van der Gaal, did you have an opportunity to see what happened on the ground floor whilst the attacks were taking place on the upper floor?
So could you repeat the
In
question?
the sense of, did you notice anything? If there were other attackers in the house on the ground floor, what they did whilst they were on the ground floor?
No, I don't know.
See, according to the members of the police service who arrived on the scene later and of the detective services, they were of the view that the house is very neat and doesn't look like the normal house, like a house would look normally after a break-in or a robbery took place.
Yes.
So you say you didn't notice anything that you could describe to the attackers being downstairs?
No. Not specifically. Not specifically, no.
But you want to say anything on the appearance of the house after the incident?
Yeah, one small thing I've noticed is that the mom's handbag was open, which it usually wouldn't be, just lying in the house open. But again, I'm not 100% sure that it was closed when we went to bed, so...
It could have been open before.
Could have, yes.
Yes. But,
So I can't give you, presumably what you're asking for is, I can't give you positive evidence
but the
of...
cell phone, was it there?
Sorry?
A cell phone, your mother's cell phone?
I believe so, yes.
Nothing was missing really.
I believe so.
But the question that Ms. Garrow asked you earlier on was somewhat different. When the police came onto the scene, they found the scene fairly neat. In other words, for a crime of that magnitude. Do you agree or disagree, or what do you
Well,
say?
I haven't been exposed to any other crime scenes, so I can't.
Yeah, so you wouldn't be able to compare, is that what you're saying?
But from the photos, the house doesn't look burglarized. So I agree with them
So
there.
it didn't look burglarized.
No, yes, I agree.
But more than the burglary, it didn't look, the scene wasn't a scene of mayhem. You know what I mean?
Well,
I've just seen
I would-
photographs, so I'm not
I would
form an opinion on that.
disagree. Upstairs.
Now, obviously, if you go up the stairs and you see your sister and mother dying there, dying is a mistake, lying there, then the picture changes. Is that what you wanted to ask? I mean, I just wanted to, I didn't follow you. What the police said that the scene was relatively neat for a crime of this magnitude. Is
That
that,
was the opinion of the members on the scene.
I mean, he disagrees with that.
No, I agree. I agree.
He said the house doesn't look like a house that has been burned.
Yes.
Mr. Van Breda, whilst we at the members who were on the scene, you didn't testify about this in chief, so I just want to make sure what Captain Stein testified and said that he was called out to the scene or the incident because of the mention being made of a balaclava-clad person having committed the crime. As he was investigating the so-called balaclava gang who operated in Stellenbosch up until that time, or shortly before that, he was called out to come and see whether the scene fit in with their way of executing house robbers. Do you remember his evidence?
I remember his evidence, yes.
And he also testified that he in actual fact spoke to you whilst you were in the ambulance to get the gist of your version of what you
Yes.
said would happen.
Yes.
Is that correct?
I don't dispute that. I have a. We were trying to remember when Captain Stein was giving his evidence. I was trying to remember when he spoke to me. I wasn't sure if it was outside the house or in the ambulance, but because there were officers asking me questions at both of those points. So I can't specifically remember meeting Mr. Stale. He didn't seem familiar to me either upon meeting him, seeing him in court. So I can't specifically remember when I interacted with
But you were
Captain
asked
Stein.
to give your version while still on the scene.
Yes, I was asked questions by the first police officers and in the ambulance. So while sitting outside the house and in the ambulance.
I just want to make sure that I read what you remember of that discussion. Do you remember telling a police officer your version whilst in the ambulance, just not who the police officer is?
Yes, I have a vague recollection of telling an officer and that officer then, well, not that officer, but also then having my shorts and socks taken and the photos taken.
Whilst you were outside the house, you testified that a member of the police brought Sasha, your family dog, to you when you were sitting outside the house.
Correct.
Where was Sasha during the incident?
I don't know.
Did you at any stage, before you lost consciousness, Mr. Van Breda, hear Sasha barking?
Not that I recall.
Seeing as you confirmed that she would bark when, at least on the evidence of Ms. Nyongani, she arrived at the house, would it be probable for her to not bark when there are strangers in the house in the middle of the night?
Yes,
Why do you say that?
because she was the opposite of a guard dog.
So she would bark at Precious, whom she knew, arriving at the house, but she would not bark at strange people being in the house in the middle of the night.
Yes. She would, a strange noise outside, she wouldn't bark at, but the phone ringing, which she knows is, it just became association with that in Perth where we got Sasha. If the doorbell rang, then someone would jump up and go to the door. So she gets very excited and she goes run around at the front door. But it was never, so I don't think she ever thought there was a danger. She was not a dog that was she wasn't a dog that was at all exposed to any form of danger or...
The danger,
She was a comfortable middle class girl.
Very.
but the danger of Mr. van der Gaar didn't happen on the ground floor, it happened on the top floor.
The attack happened on the top floor, correct?
So if Sasha was on the ground floor, why would she then not have barked to the people who was in the house? That would be something strange in the middle of the night, people arriving unannounced.
Yes. As I said, Sasha did not bark at strange sounds. She barked at sounds that she identified as something exciting for her. She was not barking at Precious because she's scared of Precious. She was barking at Precious because Precious played with her as soon as she got there.
Another thing that seems strange, Mr. van der Gaar, is if there were more than one attacker in the house, or more than one intruder or burglar, whatever one wants to call it, if there were more than one in the house, why does it appear that only one in your version moved to the upper level, where it is quite presumably had to be accepted that the family members would be asleep?
I don't know.
At no stage during the attacks on your family did the attacker call out for help?
No, not that I recall.
Not even when you realized he's now still busy attacking Rudy, your father is now coming in. After he heard you scream from behind, he doesn't call out to his friends or anybody who's downstairs, come and help me, there's more than one here.
No, that didn't happen.
Would it be correct to say, Mr. van der Gaar, that had nobody ventured upstairs and had the initial attack on Rudy not taken place, whoever came into your house that night could have almost cleaned out the bottom half of the house without anybody being the wiser, if they were that quiet?
Yes.
And further from this, isn't it strange then that they go to all the trouble to get into your house to basically take out almost your whole family except for you, and then leave without grabbing a phone, your mother's handbag, grabbing something valuable on the way out?
That is strange, I suppose, but I did interrupt them, I think.
But there are no signs that it was interrupted. Correct?
Correct.
Again, that calls for an argument. We have the evidence in which it does not report of Sergeant Officer Hitchcock, who on the state's own version tested for perhaps DNA on cupboards that were open, drawers that were partially open in the study and in the kitchen. So put it as a statement, the spec is going in. Now, let it probably argue, but it's not fair to go.
Let me just see, what precisely do you want to say? So, sorry, I missed the detail of that
No, the
question.
witness said he says unless he interrupted something. That's how I heard it, unless I heard it incorrectly. And I asked him, but there are no signs of anything really being interrupted. Opening a cupboard door, that is for argument law, but I'm still busy putting my question to the witness.
Put your question. If there's a problem, then Mr. Botha can object
As
again.
Mr. van der Gaar, is there any way that you can categorically say that, similar to your mother's handbag, that the cupboard doors in your father's study and the one or two drawers in the desk were not like that when you went to bed that night?
I can't categorically say so because I wasn't in his office before going to bed, but I would find it very strange to go into his office and find cupboards open and drawers open.
And never mind if somebody strange opened the cupboard, nothing in the cupboards appeared to be in disarray.
I haven't really had a closer... I haven't had a very close look at those photos, but that I accept that.
And similar also, if I'm not mistaken, the little bit that you can see of the drawer at the desk also doesn't seem like somebody scratched around in the drawer.
I don't dispute that.
You didn't notice anywhere where somebody had started stacking up stuff near an exit or an entrance to the house. Valuable items that are easy to carry.
No.
So except for the cupboards in the study, the drawer at your father's desk, and your mother's handbag on the dining room table, which you cannot say that it was not in that condition or state when you went to bed, there's nothing that appears to show that anything was interrupted on the downstairs area of the house.
Yes.
And if I understand your evidence correctly, Mr. Van Breda, you did not see the assailant, the attacker or burglars actually exiting your house.
No, I didn't see it happen.
Did you at any time after the incident have an opportunity to check how they might have gotten into the house in the first place?
No, I think I was relatively unconcerned with that. I think I was wholly unconcerned with how they got into the house. I think I was definitely convinced that they left via the back door. Yes. And also after seeing the back door wide open, my assumption led me to believe that's how they gained an access and exit.
But it's more complicated than that. Your family chose to live in a secure state.
Yeah.
And a secure estate in several respects. People will probably pay a lot of money to it. But that the security of the estate was breached. In other words, your trust in the security of that system failed.
Yes.
Did that not concern you?
It would have concerned me had I given it more thought.
That breach resulted in the death of your parents.
Yes. It was.
You see what I'm trying to say? I'm not saying that it's an unfortunate incident, but if there was a breach, it had serious consequences.
Correct.
And I'm saying that should concern.
Okay.
It concerns all of us.
Correct.
Who's coming in?
When you came back into the house, Mr. Van der Waal, do I understand your evidence correctly? You were satisfied at that point that everyone had left of the assailants, the attackers. However many they were.
I was convinced of that, yes.
Convinced of that. Did you walk towards the study where you saw the light was on to check if there was somebody there?
No.
Did you check in the pantry as one passes from the scullery to check if there was somebody there?
No.
Did you move towards the garage, to the what, in the direction of the front door, check if there was somebody still in the garage?
I didn't check if there was someone in the garage, no. By the time before I reached the garage, I would have seen the back door being open, and that's why I was under the impression that they'd ran away.
So, you satisfied just because the door is open, they all ran away?
I was at the time, yes.
Because you never actually saw anybody exiting the house by way of the back door.
Correct.
So as far as you knew, they might as well have been in some other part of that area of the house, because not all is visible from where you would have been.
Yes, they could have still been in the study and I wouldn't have known.
They could also have been in that little passage between the garage, the inside of the garage and the front door.
No, I would have been able to see them there from being able to see the back door, that back door window. But yes, there's numerous places in the house where I didn't check. Sorry, there's numerous spots in the house where they could have been, I didn't check.
So when you, in actual fact, when you were walking up the stairs, anybody that was still in the house could very easily have come from behind and attacked you from behind.
True.
At the time, you didn't think of this.
No.
You didn't think of checking the rest of the house for these unknown number of assailants that was in the house.
No.
Were you scared at that time?
Yes.
Were you scared that they might still be there?
No. I was recovering from a rather large amount of trauma, and I was not thinking clearly. As soon as I thought that they were out of the house and they'd gone, I decided to get the emergency services.
So as soon as you decided, because the door is open, they've left, you're happy with that?
Now, well,
I'm asking you.
happy enough to decide that the next pertinent thing to do is to get help.
Lord, maybe at this point in time I'm going to move over to another subject that might take a while. I've also worked through my notes during lunchtime and I think I might cut down and put a lot of stuff to the witness already. I would like to adjourn until Monday so I can do away with a lot of my supposed questions if that is not.
I suppose it's adjourned on 10 a.m. on Monday, Mr. Van. Now you're private.
All right.